going on a quick test drive here. We have 19,446 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering ever in here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Love the camera here. It looks really good. Beautiful interior. Smells great in here. Steering's perfectly straight. Doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Hitting the brakes kind of hard there. They feel solid. We are in sport mode. Shifts nice and smooth. No issues there whatsoever. Hands off the wheel, drives perfectly straight. Hitting on the brakes, no vibrations in the wheel. Really nothing to complain about as far as drivability goes. Really, really nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So we do have PPF here on 1/3 of the hood and the whole front bumper. You also have it on the side mirrors, the A-pillar, and that little trim piece there. And so all of that is fully protected. Now here on the wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Just taking a look at the wheel as a whole. Looks good. Fender looks amazing. Side mirrors clean. Here on the door, we do have a tiny rock chip right there. Very small. The edge of the blade is perfect. I know those get hit a lot when you open the doors. Now I do see some hard water stains here. I imagine just a really good paint correction could get that out. Looks like it's just on that back little piece though. That wheel looks good. Carbon, you got the carbon, all that looks so good. Now they did that PPF. Now you had matte stripes, but because they did the PPF, it made it gloss. Honestly, that looks really good, kind of like a ghost effect. So I'd remove that hood and do the whole thing. Just give it kind of a gloss stripe, kind of blends in. Looking at the headlights, every single one I've ever seen has a little bit of, I don't know if that's like, see it right there, like stains of water in the lens. Every single car, I feel like that's on there. Got the carbon here. PPF, like I said, but you do have some little rock impacts. And looking at that splitter, there's very little rash on that edge, but you're not gonna really see it just walking around the car. That edge is clean. So it looks good. All the carbon everywhere. That front end looks really nice. Looking at that fender, looks good. Zero curb rash on that wheel. Mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. Like I said, you have PPF on that little strip. And you got carbon on the roof with the matte black stripe. You see the edge of that? It does have some chips. Beautiful paint though. See the depth. I don't see any spots, so I imagine that side maybe got hit with a sprinkler or something like that, and that's why it had the little bit of hard water spots there. Looking at this wheel, tiny chip right there. Everything else looks good to me. Taillight's clean. Got the matte stripes going all the way across. That taillight looks good. Really not much to pick apart on this car. Really, really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It looks amazing. Alcantara everywhere, super clean. Buttons look good. Lower section looks nice. Very minor scuffs from getting in and out, but very subtle. Typical scuffs right here on the plastic. Looking at that bolster, that looks good. A little bit of blue jean transfer right there on the edge. A little bit of wear on that bolster and some wrinkles here. Otherwise, that seat looks good. Here on the steering wheel, you got the Alcantara. It is matted down on some of these edges. You can see that is really nice. Alcantara there looks good. All the Alcantara up here looks amazing. Screen looks nice. All of that's clean. Really nice. All right, look at all the Alcantara here. Looks amazing. Nice and clean. Typical scuffs from getting in and out, if you can see that right there. Carpet looks good. That bolster looks nice. Beautiful seats. That side of the console's clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. Really not much to pick apart on this side. And looking back here, there's all the details. Looks really cool. And you can have this remade so it doesn't have this guy's name on it. Super cool though. All the carbon looks really nice. Smells brand new back here. Very clean.